Click on the link below to get price. The 2-pack 20x4 fat tire bike inner tubes with Schrader Valve is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain or upgrade their fat tire bike. Designed specifically for 20-inch fat tires, these inner tubes provide an excellent balance of durability and performance, making them ideal for both casual riders and serious enthusiasts. One of the standout features of these inner tubes is their robust construction. Made from high-quality rubber, they resist punctures and abrasions, which is crucial for off-road riding or navigating rough terrain. After several rides on rocky trails and sandy paths, I was pleased to find that the tubes held up exceptionally well, displaying minimal wear and tear. In my experience, the Schrader Valve is also a significant advantage. It allows for easy inflation using standard pump types, which is convenient when on the go or at home. Installing the tubes was straightforward, even for those with minimal bike maintenance experience. The fit is snug but not overly tight, ensuring that they sit securely within the tire casing. After installation, I noticed an immediate improvement in ride quality. The tubes provided a smooth and stable experience, absorbing shocks efficiently, which is especially noticeable on uneven surfaces. Another positive aspect is the cost-effectiveness of purchasing the 2-pack. For anyone who regularly rides their fat bike, having a spare tube on hand is essential, and this package offers great value for money. While I didn't encounter any major downsides, it's worth noting that proper installation is crucial to avoid pinch flats. Taking the time to ensure a correct fit will significantly enhance the longevity of the tubes. Overall, the 2-pack 20x4 fat tire bike inner tubes with Schrader Valve deliver on their promises of quality and durability. If you're in need of reliable inner tubes, these are certainly worth considering for your next biking adventure.